Landyn. Landyn. You say strawberry?
Gag myself with a strawberry?
Hey, Landyn. No. No, no, no.
You're gonna get a crying again.
No. That's too much. You have to take smaller bites.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yummy. You tell Grandpa strawberry.
That's good.
Tell Grandpa strawberry. Say yummy. Is it good?
Is that good? Mm-hmm. Is that good? Nom, nom, nom. He's looking at me.
Well, he's only got 2 front teeth on the bottom.
Oh, does he?
So
But he's got molars, doesn't he?
Yeah, but when he bites, he can't just bite it in half.
Bite it. He's looking. Oh, thanks. Just stuff it in your mouth.
Say yummy.
Is that good?
Say yummy. Tell Grandpa strawberries.
You say strawberry?
Yeah, strawberries.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.